So this is the 1978 Yamaha DT175, and normally you see this out on the trails in those rides on Sunday videos, but I got it back in the shop, just going to do some maintenance on it, change the oil, maybe change the plug, clean the filter, and just go over the bike, clean it up, and just look it over and inspect it. It's been a few weekends that we've been beating on this thing, so I just wanted to get into the shop and look things over and check things out. So a little closer up, a little detail of the DT that you normally see only in the rides on Sunday, the woods and trail videos, but here it is up close and personal in the shop. Let's get to work on this thing. You're just going through the carburetor and it looks to be okay. Not too bad, seen worse. This bowl's got a little bit of material in the bottom there. Not too bad, but it's just some dust in there. We'll clean that up. That'll be good. Clean these jets and these other pieces. I just kind of got done wiping down and cleaning up this rim. And when I was going through and wiping it down, I noticed there was a spoke that was loose. Here it is right here. So I'm going to get my spoke wrench and just go ahead and give this guy a crank down. So I'm just going to go and check the tightness of the other ones and make sure that they're all pretty even. So I'm just going to go through each one and probably move to the front and check those as well. Alright, next I'm going to get this fork oil changed out to a heavier weight. That's the drain bolt. I'm going to loosen that and pump the forks to drain the fluid. So I think I got tackled everything I wanted to do this week to get it, just kind of went through and serviced, changed the oil, cleaned the air filter, lubed the chain, went through and made sure all the spokes were nice and tight, got those forks, fluids flushed out. What else did we do? Just cleaned it, went through it, and just gave it a good bath. It needed that real bad. So yeah, ready to hit the trails again. And if you're wondering why this red spots here, that's because when this gas tank leaked, it got gas all over, and that's a red panel, not an original blue. It was painted, so the gas just ate away that blue paint on that red panel. So that's what that's all about. But yep, there it is, 1978 DT175, ready for the trails. Thank you guys so much for watching these videos. I appreciate it, and I'll see you all on the next one.